In previous tutorials, I show you how to make this mini hat for Christmas. Then also, you can put it on this little ghost. Hello everyone, and welcome to a new tutorial with GretaWings. Today I want to teach you how to make this little ghost. You can see that I'm already made two, and both are with the same pattern, the same yarn, everything will be the same, but I made it in different day. For that reason, this one is smaller than this one and will be a little different. And this is what happens when we crochet on different day. Can be different. For that reason, when you make two legs, I recommend that you make the both at the same day. Then for this project, we will need just a few materials. And also you can use the colors that you prefer, the eyes that you prefer, everything you can change. Now I will show you the materials that I use. I use the La Abuelita brain yarn. Is 100% cotton yarn and is very good for amigurumi. And I use white on this yarn. And for the bow, I use Sinfonia brain yarn on pumpkin colored yarn, but you can use lilac if you prefer that. And remember that you can buy both yarn with us on our website GretaWings.com. Also, you can use whatever yarn that you prefer, but depending on your yarn, maybe the size will be different, and also you need to select the correct hook. On my case, with this yarn, with the both yarn, I will use 2.5 millimeters hook. We will need a wool needle, scissors, staff, some pins, and that's it. Oh, I almost forgot. We will need 10 millimeter safety eyes and 6 millimeter safety eyes. Different, but if you want to use the same size, you can also do it. And that's it. This is all the materials that we need to make this amigurumi. And if you are ready, let's start. We will start making this circle on the base using white colored yarn, and on round 1 we will make a magic rain with 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can close the magic rain. And on round 2, put some mark and we will make 6 increase, working in a spiral. 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same base, and we already have 1 increase. We will continue doing increase until finish this round with 12 points. On round 3, we will start with 1 single crochet, and after that 1 increase. We will continue repeating 1 single crochet and 1 increase until finish this round with 18 points. On round 4, we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and after that 1 increase. We will continue repeating 2 single crochet and 1 increase until finish this round with 24 points. On round 5, we will start with 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and now 1 increase. We will continue repeating the same until finish this round with 30 points. And we already finished this circle. You need just a few yarn to close now using a wool needle. Pay close attention. And now we will start the body. On round 1, a magic rain with 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Close the magic rain. And on round 2, 6 increase. It's the same that we already made on the circle on the beginning. 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same base, and we already have 1 increase. We will continue doing increase until finish this round with 12 points. On round 3, we will start with 1 single crochet, and after that 1 increase. We will continue repeating 1 single crochet and 1 increase all around, and we will finish this round with 18 points. On round 4, we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and after that 1 increase. We will continue repeating 2 single crochet and 1 increase until finish this round with 24 points. On round 5, we will start with 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and after that 1 increase. We will continue repeating 3 single crochet and 1 increase until finish this round with 30 points. And now, from round 6 to 11, we will make 30 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round and repeating the same until round 11. On round 12, we will make 30 single crochet again, but this time taking the another piece at the same time. Then, taking the both piece, we will make 30 single crochet, 1 here and 1 on the circle, and that's it. The first single crochet, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish. Before finish, you need to put the stuff, and also we need to put the safety eyes. And now I will show you where we will put the safety eyes. This is on the back, and we prefer put the safety eyes on the front here. Then pay close attention and you can see how to put the safety eyes. And remember, you can use whatever size that you prefer. It's a ghost. And for finish this round, we will make the round 13. Starting with skip 1 point, and in the next one 5 half double crochet. 1, the same base, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 1 point, and in the next one 1 slip stitch, and that's it. Repeat the same. Take the loop, skip 1 point, and in the next one 5 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 1 point, and in the next one 1 slip stitch. Repeat the same 7 times in total, and I will show you now the end. For the end, skip 2 points, skip 2, 1, 2, and in the next one 1 slip stitch. Don't worry about it, it's just a detail. And you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for secure and hide it. And now I will show you how to make the bow. It's super easy. To make the bow, you can use whatever color yarn that you prefer. This one is a pumpkin color yarn because it's Halloween. Then we will start with a magic rain. And everything on the magic rain, starting with 3 chains. This one is the first chain. 1, 2, and 3. 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 1 slip stitch on the magic rain, and we will repeat the same one more time. 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 1 slip stitch on the magic rain, and cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn to make the center. Pay close attention and you can see how I made that, and also how to make the union with the ghost. And then we already finished this little ghost. I really love it. It's so cute and so sweet. I hope you like it, and if it's like that, don't forget to give me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until next amigurumi, bye bye.